Hello, I'd like to present you a new device of Denas company, Denas PCM.
Bonjour, je suis heureuse de vous présenter un nouveau dispositif Denas.
Guten Tag, ich freue mich, Ihnen ein neues Gerät zu präsentieren, Denas.
Buongiorno, sono molto felice di presentarvi il nuovo dispositivo Denas.
Dear friends, welcome to our presentation. This unusual greeting was inspired by the new device of Denas company, Denas PCM, and its special features. In particular, menu and user guide are displayed in 5 different languages: English, German, Russian, Italian, and French. However, this is not the only special thing about the new device. It has visibly changed from the inside out, becoming more easy to use with its new frequencies and operation modes. Let's talk in more detail about the new Denas PCM device. Exterior appearance and usability. User-friendly color display, indication of exposure zones, and size-conscious design assure users high comfort by carrying out the procedure by himself or with an operator. It's worth noting that portability and self-sustainability are distinct advantages of all Denas devices, which make Denas PCM a perfect tool to carry out procedures anywhere you need it. New frequencies and operation modes. Modulated operation mode 7720 is already set as default mode, since it has proved itself as one of the most effective in the Cardio Program 2 for the last few years. Combination of 77 Hz and 20 Hz frequencies was developed, tested, and approved in the medical department, and we are proud of it. The operation time in Cardio Program 2 is normally about a few minutes, but now you can use this mode as long as you need. The operation mode 7720 is beneficial to the entire body system, showing efficient recovery of autonomic imbalance and organ dysfunction, as well as correction of microcirculation disorders such as blood and lymphatic vessels tonus regulation. Main effects which should not go unmentioned are, first of all, anti-edemic and lymph drainage effect, which helps to significantly reduce swelling of any region. It is a great solution for patients with cardiovascular diseases who have been taking powerful addictive drugs for years, developing drug resistance, requiring some new drastic remedies to increase blood flow. It is also an effective treatment for all types of allergic edemas, such as angioedema, also known as Quincke's edema, allergic rhinitis, asthma, as well as different types of the lower extremities edemas, including varicose and pregnancy-related swelling. Secondly, prominent anti-inflammatory properties of the modulated operation mode 7720 are essential for effective treatment of inflammatory diseases of ear, nose and throat, respiratory system and other. Thirdly, the modulated operation mode 7720 shows pronounced sedative effect, calming down anxiety attacks, stress, depression, and helping you to get through a busy life. The list of health benefits provided by the operation mode 7720 alone could go on and on, but one thing is clear: the modulated mode massively promotes therapeutic potential of Denas therapy. 125 Hz frequency is traditionally used in our special purpose devices. Its positive effects by treatment of severe chronic pain in many other diseases were studied and approved. It is foremost useful and effective by treating musculoskeletal disorders, injuries, wounds, and fractures, which commonly occur by athletes, sports fans, and people who go through a post-traumatic rehabilitation or just lead an active lifestyle. 125 Hz frequency has a wide range of applications, offering opportunities for a new treatment approach for severe chronic pain, musculoskeletal disorders, and peripheral nervous system diseases. In other words, 125 Hz frequency is a powerful remedy for all the health problems mentioned above. It can be easily found in the menu displayed on DNAS PCM in the Frequencies tab. There are 24 express programs, including those of the previous model. In fact, these programs are ready-made treatments for the most common diseases and health problems. But the 6th generation PCM underwent some changes that took the usability of the device to the next level. Each program is illustrated with a visual image of the exposure zone. It's displayed on the full color screen, so that you don't need to run over the manual every time. Some express therapy programs for stimulation have been also changed by reference to our previous experience and best practices. DNAS device offers a special mode Baby Doctor for little ones. What is the most important thing by treating childhood diseases? Safety is most certainly a priority. DNAS devices can be used from birth as an all-purpose treatment for babies, infants, and toddlers. Our long-term experience and numerous clinical research studies prove that DNAS therapy is comfortable, pain-free, and effective. The extra mode Baby Doctor is set at lowest power level, eliminating any risk associated with babies' or parents' discomfort. You can set optimal exposure time according to your child's age. The age range of the device extends from 0 to 12 years. The Baby Doctor provides detailed information about every treatment program you choose. Procedures are well tolerated by virtually all children who can easily learn to use the device alone at the age of 4 or 5 years. The possibility of using external electrodes. The health-promoting effect of DNAS therapy is obtained by affecting certain biologically active zones and skin areas. For this purpose, we are using external electrodes made of advanced non-allergenic conductive materials of different configurations connected to the DNAS device. DNAS applicator and DNAS glasses are easy to fix on relevant body areas. The patient can carry out the procedure by himself, seated or in prone position. Massage paddle electrode for scalp therapy. Massage pad electrode for bimanual therapy and skin care. Point probe electrode for stimulation of auricular and corporal acupoints. DNAS reflexer was designed for foot stimulation and found use in treatment of arthropathy, blood vessel diseases, diabetes, and some genitourinary diseases. Certainly, efficiency is the key factor in choosing a treatment mode, since we all want to see results. Dynamic electrical neurostimulation produces powerful analgesic and anti-inflammatory effect, increasing vessel tonus, promoting wound injuries and burns healing. Research studies conducted by the medical department of DNAS Corporation at DNAS Health Center have found that new frequencies as well as new programs and treatment modes installed on DNAS PCM device significantly improve the efficiency of dynamic electrical neurostimulation therapy. To sum up, we would like to state the fact that DNAS PCM has become much more effective. Dear friends, thank you for watching the DNAS Company presentation of the new DNAS PCM device. I am sure we will achieve better results in the treatment of many diseases. Stay well, stay healthy, and have a good day.